glasses off. I smell the ribs of this video.
That was better than what it could have been. Both of them. Believe me, it could have been a lot worse.
I think you're doing jolly well, Nathan. Don't worry. Until then.
No, even that was a good one. You've been seeing some of the depths, haven't you, Jesse?
Up, periscope! Yes, we're out in the hole. I can see him going. There's a car coming, flag him down, he might pull us out.
It's not real pretty. Someone's going, oh.